Hello guys, this is Arkneil Gaming, and in this video we're going to get Badang's Zodiac skin Leo. So we are now at a discount for 4 more days, so this is the best time to draw your Zodiac skins, and I have currently 26 points, so we need to get at least 100, or if we get lucky, before 100. So let's see. That's only a small percentage. Usually I get a Zodiac skin at 100 points. I'm not gonna skip. Let's draw normally. So we started at around 5,500 Crystal Aurora. Let's see how many draws do we need to get Zodiac skin from the 26 points. Okay, 39 points to 48. Oh, nice, 10 points. Not bad, 55, 62. So that's around 7 points. I think Zodiac skins are pretty cheap. The Arrival costs more. 74. 82. So that's around 8 points. Not bad. 88. So I think we need 10 more draws. Less than 10 more draws. Okay, so 96. Yeah, I think I'll just draw one each. 96. Just one. I think drawing 5 gives you more points. Oh, no. Ooh, from 97 to 100. Nice. Okay, we got
the power of Leo is within my hands.
Badang Leo. 400 collection points. Nice. I like it when he uses the ultimate. The Leo's face shows up above him. Zodiac Leo's skin obtained. And I like it that Moonton is revamping the Zodiac skins. They look updated now. So this is my 639 skin on my main account. So I spent less than 700 COA, or around 700 plus, because it's from 5,500 Crystal Aurora. Not bad, guys. Pretty cheap for a Zodiac skin. So that's it, guys. Did you get Leo? Maybe I'll complete the Zodiac skins in the future. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.